Teachers, this is the STEAM lesson for October the 15th. This is the last week for Bebop coding. I'm having a little trouble using my Screencast-O-Matic, the recording system, so it's a little bit distorted, but it'll be okay. So the book we're going to be using is How Many Seeds in a Pumpkin. Here's the video that tells this story. In the main idea is estimating. So that is the word for the week is estimate, which is to make a careful guess. The teak is a math teak, and it's right here. Vocabulary is right here. Coding, we're going to continue to go over coding, continue to go over algorithm. This video right here, here's a few pictures from it. I don't know why they turned, but they did once I pulled it up this way. However, what you will see when you walk into the STEAM lab will be strips of tape. There will be 3 different colors, 3 different patterns. It's kind of like an obstacle course. Here's the directions. It's the Bebop races. Students will estimate the algorithm for the race. For example, if you see the line here, there will be 3 robots. It's hard for me to see, but let's say right here, 3 robots, and they're going to estimate how many forward spaces. Maybe they're going to guess that there's 4 forward spaces. They're going to turn, and then, they're going to just estimate the number of forward spaces, turns, and all that. But they will have to lay those code cards out. So if they're going to guess 4 spaces, they're going to have 4 forward spaces. So before they push go on that GoBot, they're going to need to make sure that whatever they guessed is going to be laid out on their cards. Now, soon as all of the contestants, there'll be 3, soon as the contestants have their algorithm laid out with their card, then they're going to press go at the same time, and that's the race. And they're going to see which one follows and completes the course most accurately. And more than likely, they're not going to get it quite right. So the next part would be, okay, what are we going to do how are we going to change that? So they'll go back, rethink their steps, estimate again, lay the cards out, everybody gets ready together, and you press go again. Now, the students that are not programming, there will be a laminated grid, and they can use markers, and what they will do is they will be guessing and marking on their grid. If they say, oh, I think it's going to be 4 spaces, then they're going to use their marker to go 4 spaces, turn right, and so they're going to guess it. So they can still play the game, even though they're not programming the Bebop. They will actually be doing their estimations on the grid. And that's it. Make sure that you read this book before you come in, or watch the video. I think I will try and get a couple copies from the library. If not, make sure if you don't have them by then, use this video here. I will make a hard copy, send it to you. It'll be in your boxes. If you have any questions, just give me a call. Have fun.